Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today's topic name is class loader in Java. Let's see. The class loader is a part of JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. In JVM, there is class loader. The Java class loader is an abstract class. It belongs to java.lang package. Then it load classes from different resources. Java class loader is used to load the classes at a runtime. Then JVM perform this linking process at runtime. Class loader are loaded into the JVM according to the need. Then when we request to load the class, it delegate the class to its parent. In this way, the maintenance in the runtime environment. It is essential to execute a Java program. Then delegation principle. In forward, the request of classes loading to a parent class loaded it only the load the class. Then it parent not find or load the class. Then visibility principle, it allow child class loaded to see all the classes loading by the parent class loader. Then uniqueness. It allow load a class. Once it is achieved by delegation principle, it ensure that the child class loader doesn't reload the class which is already loaded by the parent. Then in Java, every class loader has a predefined location from where they load class file. There are following type of class loader in Java. Bootstrap class loader. uh, class loader, it is the JDK class file format rt.jar and other core classes. It is the parent of all the class loader. It doesn't have any parent. When we call string.class uh, get class loader method, it return null and any code based on it. Then it load class file from jre dot jar. For example, java.long package class. Then extension class loader, it delegate class loading request to its parent. If the loading of a class is unsuccessful, it load classes from directly or any other dictionary as the java.ext dot dirs dot. It is the implemented by Sun. Uh, then next is a system class loader. It load application specification class from the class path. Environment variable, it can be set while invoking program using cp or class path. It is child of extension class loader. It is implemented by Sun. It is implemented by all the Java class loader. Class loader following. Uh, in that it check if the class is already loaded. If the class is not loaded, ask present class loader to load the class. If parent class loader cannot load class, attempt to load in its it the if this the class loader. So in class loader do important work. It load the dot class file. So that's all about the class loader. Thank you.